MyPassportHub.com claims to be a private company offering passport application assistance, including new passport applications, renewals, and stolen passport replacements. However, many users want to know whether this platform is legit or not, so watch this video till the end to get full details. The first concern is that the website claims to have over 10 years of experience, but HOI's data shows that the domain was only registered on January 14, 2025. This is a common trick used by scammers to fake their establishment history and appear more credible. By falsely presenting themselves as long-standing industry players, they attempt to gain users' trust and make their platform seem more legitimate than it actually is. Another major concern is that My Passport Hub is not affiliated with the U.S. government. Official passport applications should be completed on the government website, travel.state.gov, rather than through a third-party service that charges additional fees. Users may unknowingly pay for something they could complete for free, and there is also a risk of personal data being misused. Furthermore, our investigation revealed that My Passport Hub has very low website traffic, according to SimilarWeb data. A legitimate business with over a decade of experience should have significant online engagement, but this site lacks such indicators. Another troubling aspect is the presence of fake customer reviews. The website claims that many users are pleased with their services, but when we checked Trustpilot, there were no reviews available. Additionally, discussions on Reddit paint a different picture, with multiple users labeling the site as a scam and warning others that it steals personal data. Lastly, My Passport Hub lacks any social media presence. A credible business typically maintains active social media profiles to engage with customers, provide updates, and build trust. However, this site has no links to social media platforms, making it even more difficult to verify its authenticity or reach out for support. The absence of direct contact options like phone numbers or live chat further complicates matters for users seeking assistance. Given these numerous warning signs, My Passport Hub does not appear to be a legitimate or trustworthy service. The contradiction in its claimed experience, lack of government affiliation, potential data risks, low online engagement, negative feedback, and absence of social media presence all indicate that using this platform is highly risky. We strongly advise against trusting My Passport Hub and recommend that users apply for passports only through the official government website to ensure security and avoid unnecessary charges. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on online scams.